Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Sentra computer. First, you'll need to locate your car's battery, usually found under the hood. Using a wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal. This is a crucial first step to ensure the computer's memory is cleared. Allow at least 15 minutes for the vehicle's electrical system to fully discharge before proceeding. This simple action can resolve many minor electronic glitches. Once the 15 minutes have passed, securely reconnect the negative battery terminal. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine and hold it there for 3 seconds. This allows the system to initialize. After this, you'll need to perform the accelerator pedal release position learning procedure, which helps the computer understand the pedal's full range. Following the accelerator pedal learning, you'll also need to complete the throttle valve closed position learning. Then, start your engine and allow it to warm up thoroughly until it reaches its normal operating temperature. Finally, perform the idle air volume learning procedure. This step is crucial for ensuring your Sentra maintains a stable idle and optimal engine performance after the computer reset. If your Nissan Sentra continues to exhibit issues after performing these reset and learning procedures, it's advisable to consult a certified mechanic. They can use a specialized diagnostic scan tool to identify any specific error codes or underlying problems that might require professional attention. Remember, a computer reset is often a first step, not a complete fix for all issues. Also, for more great content and deals, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.